Hi, I'm Amanda from QueenMee Accessories. Thank you so much for joining me. This week I am so excited to talk to you about one of my favourite hair accessories of all, hair claws. These can be known as hair claw clips, hair jaws, hair clamps, whatever you call them. They are a brilliant accessory because they are so practical and you can put your hair up in so many different ways using them, and they can also be really pretty too, like this lovely sparkling hair claw. Now this week I'm going to show you my favourite hair claw clip hairstyle. It's really easy to do and it adds an unexpected twist to your hair claw clip styling. It's perfect if you're off to a summer event like a wedding or a barbecue, but to be honest, you can just wear it every single day and it's super easy. It only takes 60 seconds to do. So before I forget, I would love it if you would subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Every single week I share an accessory styling video to give you a lovely boost, and I would love to see you next week, so do hit subscribe. Back to hair claws. In case you're not yet a hair claw convert like me, I want to show you just how versatile hair claw clips can be. You can wear your hair in a full bun like this, perfect for hot weather or when you want to be extra elegant and full updo. You can wear your hair half up like this, or you can add a little twist to the half up like this. You see, there are so many ways to use hair claw clips to create beautiful hairstyles. But now for my very favourite. So we're going to add a twist to our hair claw half up hairstyle, and this look completely elevates the hairstyle. All you need is a hair claw clip like this, some hair grips like this, and for extra glam it is quite nice to add a curl to your hair. So however you do that, with tongs or with rollers like me, then that does add an extra shot of glam to the look. So here we go. I'm going to run you through how to create this very simple hairstyle.
So we start by creating a twist on one side of the hair. You want to go quite far down behind your ear, further than you might think. And it helps if you have a mirror, a second mirror, so you can see the back of your head. Clip that twist into place with a Kirby grip, and then we're going to do the same on the other side. So creating a twist that's symmetrical if possible, taking the same amount of hair just behind the ear and clipping it into place at the back. And now we add our sparkling hair claw over the twists. The Kirby grips act as an anchor, and if you have a second mirror, you can get the hair claw straight and into the right place. And there you go. Here is our hair claw clip half up hairstyle with a beautiful twist that adds that extra glam.
I hope you loved my easy hair claw clip hairstyle with a twist. I would love for you to try it if you're off to an event or you just want to elevate your everyday look. I would love for you to give it a try and let me know what you think. Comment below. I would love to hear from you. And please do subscribe. I would love to see you next week. It would be such a joy to welcome you back. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sending big love. Thank you.